Hi, this is Scott from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Holden Commodore SV6. This particular Commodore has a 3.6 litre V6 engine with an automatic transmission. As you see, it has a pretty good bonnet. Just a small little dent at the front there. Other than that, seems pretty good. Good front bumper. Nice headlamp. We have a set of 4 of these 18-inch rims. They also come with pretty average tires. Nice boot lid. Spoiler. My taillight. Very tidy left rear door. Tidy left front door. Very nice left front guard. Taking a quick look at that 3.6 litre engine. Quick look on the inside. Dash seems to be in good condition. Seats seem to be pretty good. Nice steering wheel with audio and cruise controls. As you can see, it's only done 176,000 Ks. That's the center console with CD player. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please go to totalpartsplus.com.au. Check out our Facebook page and check out our Instagram page. Thanks for watching.